What if everything you know about falling is completely backwards? Without gravity, the Earth wouldn't just be a bouncy castle. The atmosphere would instantly boil away, the oceans would float into space, and our planet would tear itself into a billion pieces. We are told that gravity is an invisible magnetic pull. But here is the craziest secret in all of physics. Gravity is not actually a pull at all. To understand what is really holding you to your chair right now, we have to bend the fabric of the universe itself. Today, we are breaking down the invisible glue of the cosmos and answering why astronauts are not actually floating. For hundreds of years, scientists like Isaac Newton believed gravity was a simple rule. The bigger something is, the harder it pulls. Mass creates gravity. Because the Earth is huge, it pulls on you. But you also pull on the Earth. You just don't have enough mass to win the tug-of-war. If you stood on the Moon, which is super small, you'd weigh about as much as a medium-sized dog. But if you tried to stand on Jupiter, it's so massive that its gravity would crush you flat before you could even take a step. But Newton had a massive problem. He knew that gravity worked, but he had absolutely no idea how it worked. How does the sun pull on the Earth across 93 million miles of completely empty space? Enter Albert Einstein. He realized space is a flexible, stretchy fabric called spacetime. Imagine the universe is a giant, tight trampoline. When you drop something incredibly heavy into the middle of that trampoline, like the sun, it bends the fabric deep down. The Earth is just rolling along the curved shape of space. Gravity is geometry. You are stuck to Earth right now because the mass of our planet is literally bending the space around you, pushing you down into the dip. So, if gravity is everywhere, why do astronauts float in space? Most people think it's because there is zero gravity up there. That is completely wrong. At the height of the space station, Earth's gravity is still 90% as strong as it is on the surface. The astronauts are not floating. They are falling. They are falling toward Earth, but the space station is moving sideways so incredibly fast, at 17,000 miles per hour, that as they fall, the Earth curves away beneath them. They are in a permanent state of freefall, constantly missing the ground. That's all an orbit is, falling and missing forever. Gravity is the ultimate architect. It curves the universe, ignites stars, and keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground. It is the invisible net that catches us all. If you want to keep bending your brain and exploring the hidden rules of the cosmos, hit that subscribe button. There is a lot more to the universe than meets the eye. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.